Most business owners struggle to increase their profits because they're focused on the wrong marketing strategies. They work hard to grow revenue, but without the right approach, you're leaving money on the table. It's an ongoing battle. But here's the good news, is there's a way to fix this. After building 10 multi-million-dollar businesses and helping thousands of entrepreneurs scale successfully, I want to look at 4 strategies to scale faster and increase your profits. I want you to copy my blueprint. Do you want to grow your revenue without working harder? Smart entrepreneurs don't just grind, we optimize. These 4 strategies will help you scale, attract premium clients, and maximize your sales. So if you're tired of chasing small wins and you want to start playing bigger, this is for you. So the first thing we need to do is you need to focus on high value customers. I know you all think you have those, but we really don't. I want you to work less and earn more. Stop chasing low value clients who drain our time, our energy. If you want to scale fast, you need to attract customers that bring you the biggest ROI in your business. And here's the truth. 80% of our revenue comes from 20% of our clients. That's right. Clients who pay premium require less effort because we know what's entailed in building that. When you stop saying yes to everyone and you create room for the right people, magic happens. I worked with a high-end salon and spa, and she was struggling to hit her revenue goals. She was underpricing and attracting bargain basement clients. After we repositioned her and offered her clients high tickets, she tripled her revenue in 6 months without working more hours. So I want you to take 10 minutes today. Redefine your high value client. Look at who spends the most, who buys consistently, what clients bring you joy, and I want you to build your business around them. Strategy number 2 is all about optimizing your sales funnel. We want to turn leads into paying clients on autopilot. Most businesses need more leads. They need better sales processes. If your funnel is leaking, you're leaving money on the table. Your funnel should do all the heavy lifting for you. We want them to capture high quality leads, not just random traffic. Nurture those leads, turn them into trust building content, guide them seamlessly from interested to raising their hand, ready to buy. A coaching client was running ads generating thousands of clicks, but no conversions. When we streamlined the sales funnel, we focused on clear messaging and strong call to action. Her conversion went from 1.8 to 7.5, adding an extra $50,000 a month. So go through your sales funnel today. Where are your leads dropping off? And improve one weak point this week. We don't have to do it all. Step 3 is upsell, upsell, cross-sell. Every dollar from every client. Your easiest sell isn't new customers. It's one who've already trust us, who've already bought for us. Smart businesses don't stop at one sell. They maximize every opportunity. So how do you increase that lifetime value of your customer? 1, we want to offer premium versions of what you do, add-ons and upgrades. You want to cross-sell, suggest complementary products and services that enhance that experience. Add a subscription model. Get customers to buy from you constantly. I worked with one online boutique that was making $50 per order on average. We implemented strategic upsells, bundles, limited time offers, VIP experiences. In 90 days, their average order increased to $127 per sale. That was a 152% increase in their revenue without spending more on ads. So I want you to look for opportunities and look for products and services today that you can cross-sell and upsell to each transaction. Bring more value. Strategy 4, leverage retargeting ads. Don't let warm leads get away. Did you know 97% of first-time visitors don't buy? But here's the secret. When you retarget them, they're 10 times more likely to convert. Why retargeting is a game changer? Because it keeps your brand top of mind, right? It keeps those leads warm. It brings back visitors who almost bought. It boosts conversions and lowers client acquisition costs. A client selling online courses was losing 85% of their visitors who clicked on her landing page. We set up retargeting ads with testimonials and exclusive offers, and her conversion rate, ready for this? Jumped 300% in 30 days. So if you're running ads, stop and let's look at the first time clicks. Set up a simple retargeting strategy today and watch your conversions climb and soar. Are you ready to scale? So these 4 strategies aren't just theory, they work. Which one are you going to implement? Drop a comment below. Need to optimize your funnel? Need to attract premium clients? Or you need to look at scaling your business? Check out my free course in the description. So those are the 4 marketing strategies that will increase profit instantly. But knowing these strategies aren't just enough. You need to know how to implement them effectively. If you want to learn how, go watch my 100% free course that I released on YouTube that teaches you every single step you need to grow your business in 2025. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm your sister in the journey. You're not in business by yourself, you're in business for yourself. Let's make it happen.